Joining me now, we have Eric Slepian and Brian Ellexson from Slepian Ellexson, a true staple here in the Valley, a firm dedicated to Social Security and disability issues. Thank you so much for being here with us today.
No, it's our pleasure. Thank you for having us.
Thank you.
Yeah, Brian, I want to start right off the top with some myth busting. Who is eligible for Social Security and disability benefits?
I mean, a lot of times we think of, our parents and grandparents, people over the age of 65 as being eligible for Social Security. It's important to know that it's available to anyone who's worked. If you have a health problem and you're unable to work because of that health problem, Social Security is there for you with health coverage and financial benefits to get you through that time.
Yeah, and these are benefits that folks may be entitled to and not even realize it. Eric, it is a lengthy process. There's a lot that goes into it. Why is working with someone like yourselves so important to the process and also the outcome?
So this is a very cumbersome process. There are a lot of forms. You want to make sure it's done correctly. So it's important to work with somebody who's been involved in this process, who knows what Social Security is looking for. We're able to work with the doctors. We know the claim examiners. We've been in front of these judges hundreds of times here in Arizona. And so it just makes the process simpler. You're making sure you get it done right. It's very hard to correct mistakes that are made early on in this process.
Yeah, especially during what could be a stressful time for so many as well. Brian, walk me through what it's like to work with your firm. If someone out there sees this, thinks they may have a claim, what does that process look like?
Absolutely. It's important to know first that we offer free consultations. We also don't charge a fee until we've won a case. And so for families that are struggling, if someone can't work in the family, the last thing they need to be thinking about is putting up money up front for a legal fee. And so that's not a concern for us. When you work with us, you have a dedicated team working for you. If you go to a hearing, you have an attorney representing you at that hearing. You're not going to get that everywhere else. We're a local law firm. We only employ attorneys to go to hearings. And you'll have a team that works with you and works in Arizona. We know the case examiners, we know the judges, we know the doctors. And so it's that local touch that really makes us successful.
Yeah, and really a community-centered approach as well is another thing that we love about you guys. You do a lot of work in the community. You volunteer. Talk a little bit about that.
Yes, we do like to give back. We work with disability organizations. I've sat on the board of some of the disability organizations here in Arizona. We're both members of the National Organization for Social Security Representative. So we're out there, we're doing what we can. We know how hard it is for individuals who can't work.
We also have fun. We do a Halloween event for underprivileged kids at local medical clinics. So we try to be involved in our community. This is where we live. These are the people we serve.
Well, we always love having you here. Thank you so much for coming in. And if you at home would like to learn more about their firm or their services, just head to their website.